Do you like stars? Or maybe space? You want to look at them and see what they look like, but you need a device for that. You'll take a telescope, of course. As you probably already know, a telescope is a device used to observe distant objects by their emission, absorption, or reflection of electromagnetic radiation. The first known practical telescope was a refracting telescope with glass lenses and was invented in the Netherlands at the beginning of the 17th century. In the 20th century, many new types of telescopes were invented, including radio telescopes in the 1930s and infrared telescopes in the 1960s. Of course, the sizes of telescopes have also increased over time. These days, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is the largest optical telescope. But there will be a telescope that is 4 times larger than this and will be 200 times more powerful than any existing telescope. Have you heard about it? It is the Giant Magellan Telescope, GMT. This telescope is the most powerful telescope ever engineered using the world's largest mirrors. It secured a $205 million investment from its international consortium to accelerate construction. The investment marks one of the largest funding rounds for the telescope and includes leading commitments from Harvard University, the Carnegie Institution for Science, the Sao Paulo Research Foundation, the University of Texas at Austin, the University of Arizona, and the University of Chicago. The GMT is under construction at the Las Campanas Observatory in Chile's Atacama Desert and will be part of a new generation of ground-based extremely large telescopes capable of unprecedented clarity and sensitivity in observing astrophysical phenomena such as the origins of the chemical elements and the formation of the first stars and galaxies. The Giant Magellan Telescope is considered the future of space exploration. It will use the largest mirrors in the world, a 25.4-meter matrix consisting of 7 mirrors with a diameter of 8.4 meters, which weigh 18 tons. The total light collection area of 368 square meters will provide sufficiently clear images to distinguish small details on the coin from a distance of almost 160 kilometers. Such capabilities will allow the creation of the most detailed images of the universe. They'll even surpass the resolution of the James Webb Space Telescope, which recently amazed the world with its most detailed images. The completed structure will reach 39 meters in height, weighing 2,100 tons, and will be housed in a 65-meter-long hull that can complete a full revolution in almost 3 minutes. 7 adaptive secondary mirrors can change the shape of a 2-millimeter thick surface 2,000 times per second to correct the effect of optical blurring of the Earth's atmosphere in the widest field of view of any telescope. Simply put, the telescope should become a miracle of technology and establish a new peak of observations of space. To continue the video as soon as possible, all you need is 1 click: subscribe. Thank you for that, it means a lot to us. Let's continue. Though the project does not currently have a completion date, construction of the GMT has achieved significant progress over the last few years. 6 of the 7 mirror segments have been cast in Tucson, Arizona. The 3rd primary mirror segment has completed its 2-year polishing phase and is undergoing final testing. Construction of a 3,700 square meter facility in Rockford, Illinois to manufacture the telescope structure is complete. Production of the first adaptive secondary mirror is well underway in France and Italy, and the site in Chile is primed for the next stage of construction and pouring of the foundation. This unprecedented angular resolution, combined with revolutionary spectrographs and high-contrast cameras, will work in direct synergy with the JWST to empower new scientific discoveries. The Giant Magellan Telescope will be the next step in studying the physics and chemistry of the faintest light sources in space that the JWST will identify. This includes searching the atmospheres of potentially habitable planets for life, studying the first galaxies that formed in the universe, and finding clues that will unravel the mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and the formation of the universe itself. So this telescope is the future of space exploration. You must admit that the future largest telescope is fascinating. Imagine how many discoveries will happen with the help of it. Maybe we'll learn something about the universe that we didn't know or see until now. Please feel free to share your opinion with us and other people in the comment section below, and make sure to turn on the notifications so you never miss one of the next videos. If you haven't done so yet, then please subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and share it on social media. That's it for today. We'll see you again soon.